When it comes to AI study tools, Turbo AI has been getting a lot of attention lately. Originally known as TurboLearn AI, this platform focuses on turning lectures, PDFs, videos, and audio recordings into notes, quizzes, flashcards, and even podcasts. So in this video, I'll break down what Turbo AI actually does, its biggest strengths and weaknesses, pricing, and whether it's really the best AI tool for studying. If that sounds good, let's get it started. What is Turbo AI? Turbo AI is an AI powered study assistant designed mainly for students. The main idea is simple: you upload your study material, like lecture recordings, YouTube videos, PDFs, or class notes, and Turbo AI automatically turns them into organized study resources. That includes AI generated notes, flashcards, practice quizzes, summaries, podcasts from your notes, AI chat with your study material. It's available on web, Android, and iPhone. Best features: AI node generation. This is probably the biggest reason people use Turbo AI. Instead of manually writing notes during lectures, Turbo AI can record and summarize lessons automatically. It organizes information into readable sections, which can save a huge amount of time. For students with long lectures or heavy reading materials, this is honestly very useful. Flashcards and quizzes. Turbo AI can instantly create flashcards and quizzes from your uploaded content. This helps with active recall, which is one of the best study methods for memorization. And instead of reading notes repeatedly, you can actually test yourself. And honestly, this is where Turbo AI feels more practical than just using ChatGPT alone. Podcast mode. One unique feature is the podcast mode. Turbo AI can turn your notes into audio summaries you can listen to while walking, commuting, or working out. Some students actually love this feature because it makes passive studying easier. Multi-format support. Turbo AI supports PDFs, audio files, YouTube videos, lecture recordings, slides, and documents. That flexibly makes it convenient for different study styles. What Turbo AI does well: the biggest advantage is the speed. Instead of spending hours organizing notes manually, Turbo AI automates most of the boring work. It's especially useful for university students, medical students, exam preparation, long lectures, fast paced courses. The interface is also modern and beginner friendly compared to some older study apps. And according to App Store ratings, many users seem satisfied with the experience overall. The downsides. Now let's talk about the problems. AI mistakes still happen. Like most AI tools, Turbo AI is not perfect. Some users report inaccurate questions, missing details, or incorrect summaries, especially with technical subjects. So you should never rely on it blindly. You still need to review your material yourself. Subscription pricing. The free version is limited. To unlock most features, you will probably need a paid subscription, and some students feel the pricing is expensive compared to alternatives like Quizlet or Notebook LM. Not ideal for deep understanding. Turbo AI is excellent for speeding up study preparation, but it is not always the best tool for deep understanding or critical thinking. Sometimes AI generated summaries oversimplify important concepts. So if you are studying advanced subjects, you will still need proper text box and class materials. Is Turbo AI better than other study apps? Compared to traditional apps like Quizlet, Turbo AI feels much more modern because it automates almost everything. Compared to Google Notebook LM, Turbo AI is simpler and more student focused. And compared to generic AI chatbots, Turbo AI is more optimized for studying specifically. But is it the absolute best? Honestly, that depends on your workflow. If you want fast summaries, automatic flashcards, and lecture transcription, Turbo AI is one of the strongest options right now. But if you mainly want accuracy and deep research, other tools may still perform better in some situations. Conclusion and final verdict. So is Turbo AI the best for studying? For convenience and speed, it's definitely one of the best AI study tools available right now. It can save a lot of time, especially for students dealing with lectures, PDFs, and exam preparation. But it is not magic. You still need to fact check information and actually understand the material yourself. I would say Turbo AI works best as a study assistant, not a replacement for studying. If you enjoy AI powered learning tools, it's absolutely worth trying. And that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and tell me down below what AI tool you want me to review next time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.